Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will be explaining you one of the recent feature that we have launched for the broadcast. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, just open the WhatsApp bot and please go to this option of broadcasts. Over here, if you have done any sort of broadcast, so now under this action tab, you will get this analytics option of broadcast analytics. And over here, you will find this option of retry. So what does this retry means? So you have an option that either you can retry the whole broadcast, or we have given you these filters like by status. You can retry the whole broadcast. Earlier, in case if you have to do the same broadcast again, so again you have to upload the CSV, select the template, add the attributes, all that things needs to be done again. So now we have given you this option in case if you want to repeat this broadcast again after maybe 1 week, 2 weeks or any timeline, you can simply do it by a single click. So this is one feature that we have recently launched. So if I click on it, so you can see here, right, as I did the retry, you can see here the retry is coming over here. So this is something that can be done by you as well. Please let us know in case if you have any questions regarding the same. We will surely help you with the same. You can reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin.